I went to school the first time for criminal justice, but I always cooked in a restaurant. I did an externship at the Secret Service in Buffalo, New York. I found out that that's what I wanted to do. That was my passion. But even if you got a speeding ticket or any kind of ticket, you can't get into the Secret Service. So I went back to school. I went to culinary school, Johnson Wales University. When I came down to San Antonio, I fell in love with it. I was on the Riverwalk. I applied at La Mansión del Rio Hotel. Within 2 hours, I got a page. Back in the day, you got pagers. And they offered me a job. And that was pretty much it. That was my start in the San Antonio culinary industry. I think San Antonio is amazing. I mean, there's so many great restaurants here, so many great chefs, so many people that are like not just following the trends, but are creating trends too on top of it. It's a melting pot. It's a beautiful thing to be here right now. I'm the president of Chef Cooperatives. It's a 501c3 in San Antonio. We do pop-up events to help local farmers and charities. I also own a few other companies, Texas Black Oak Garlic, of course. We have Ghost Kitchens SA, which is online 7 platforms, restaurants that we ship out all over San Antonio. And then we're about to open up Gunslingers, which is a themed restaurant that's set to open September 1st. One of the philosophies that we have with the co-op is one team, one goal. We try to all cheerlead for everybody, try to help them out. If somebody needs help, you know, and they post up on social media or Facebook chat that they have a need for something, it's just volunteering to do it. My biggest thing is just to advocate for all the beautiful companies that are here in San Antonio, from restaurants to other chefs, and pay it forward. It's about helping other restaurateurs and other culinarians and doing it the right way. God gave us one talent, and that's to cook. I mean, so I use that talent to hopefully help people.